Pretty lights going on right now, huh? Not doing any fishing today. No. He's kind of ready. I'm in a car wash, in case you ain't figured it out by now. Yes, we're getting a car wash, and that's one of the things I want to talk about. But real quick, we will be doing some fishing, and maybe the end of this month or April. We decided it'd be best to just give Kid a little bit longer. And yeah, see, we've had Kid in a lot of places, but we never had him on a leash outdoors, you know, while we sit in the chairs for any length of time. And that's what I want to work on. So we're going to go to a different adventure. We're going to go to Gladys Russell and look at that lake. Maybe one of the places we may fish one day again. All right, guys, I'm going to get my car washed, and when I get back, I want to talk about my car and our dog. Yeah. What do you think, Kit? Getting the car washed? Huh? He's like, leave me alone, Dad. He tired. He very tired. See you guys in about an hour. Okay, my question is to you guys, before I go any further, we've been a little bit of everywhere today trying to find somewhere to go, and honestly, there's just people everywhere. I want to do this part of the video kind of without people in the way. I don't know why, but it's just me. But for you dog owners out there, do you let your dog in the car? Oh, I'm gonna tell you, when you set out to do a video, some days everything in the world can go on and keep you from doing that video, or basically the video does not come out how you planned it in your head. So the part I was going to get first after the car wash, we're going to get last. But I want to talk about if you have a dog, do you let your dog in your new car? Now, Kit, we're up here at a park he's been to twice, and where we're at now, he's never been to this side of the park, so he is pulling like a son of a gun. But what if I told you guys, you guys know I drive a 2023 Chevrolet Equinox. I call the Defiant. It's 11 months old. Do you know I have no problem with my dog being in my car? I have no problem with him shedding and getting his white fur all over my car. Thank God he hasn't chewed on the seats. That's another story. Now, if you knew me personally, one of the things you would know about me is, well, not everybody knows this, even if they know me personally. I am a perfectionist. I like to be tidy. I like to be clean. I like to have things put in their own place where they belong. Holy smokes, that sun is bright. Oh, this would be a good spot if I'm going to put myself in the thumbnail to do it. But if you know me, I like to be clean. I like to keep my car clean. My other car was always spotless. Always. I should have known to get a short-haired dog. A short, well, almost all white-haired dog. Oh no, there's dog poo there. For ketchup and pickle juice. But I should have known when I got a dog what might happen to my car. At the end of the video, we will look inside the car. We will get into that. But I should have known this, right? I should have known short-haired dogs shed non-stop. Hey, we're walking on the back side of the park, and I'm going to show you a little bit of view where we're at. It's not a bad place. It is a very popular part of a park. Angie and I have been here lots, haven't we? And Mr. Kid here, there you go. When he's in a new place, he pulls. So I learned a little trick. Actually, I kind of knew this trick. Come here, Kid. Stay. Stay. You pull the collar up on his neck a little further, like that, and you have better control. Forward. See? A little bit better control. I hate doing that, but if I don't do that, he's going to tear the heck out of my arm. Well, the collar's back down where it was at, but yeah, when he pulls me like that, it also makes my back hurt. To me, he's still a puppy. He's almost 10 months old, almost. By the time you guys see this video, he will be exactly 10 months old. You know, there is special coverage you could get for your vehicle. to keep down on the dog hair and whatnots. I've actually just used a towel. Does it work? No. Keeps the seat clean if they sit in the seat. If they're sitting in that seat, just saying. Take my other dog, Stormy. She was a long-haired dog. She did shed twice a year, but it really wasn't a problem. It wasn't. Try to get up to short hair dog shedding. Did I say that right? You can't vacuum this stuff up. See, right there's another really great place to fish. The only problem is the place at the park is handicapped. So you have to park on top and go up and down this long, steep hill. I have done that a couple times. But believe it or not, I've only fished this once. And that was back over 30 years ago. So the bottom line is, if you have a dog, especially a short-haired dog that sheds constantly, would you let that dog in your car? Would you let that dog in your brand new car? My car, we've only had it 11 months. Yeah, would you let that dog in your car? Would you let that dog in your car with only a towel to try to keep down the mud it might get on his feet? Would you? I cleaned my car today. I do try to clean it as much as I can, but I guarantee it's going to get really bad within the next couple days. I'm going to show you parts of my car I cannot clean. I could probably get it clean if I have one of them things to get the lint off, or if I have something specially, but you cannot vacuum up his little white hair. It's almost next to impossible. So I'm going to show you what I can't get cleaned. Then I'm going to tell you how bad it was before I cleaned it. 2023 Chevrolet Equinox. I've had this car 11 months. 11 months. So, right down in here, it collects dog fur. I can't get off. I got this covered up, the seat. But as you can see, the dog hair right here on this seat. And before I cleaned it, it almost looked like I had a white carpet on my dashboard. Let's go to the back. Might get a little dark, but I can't get this dog hair off, or the dog hair right through here, or on the back of the seats. So you think this bothers me one bit? I'm a perfectionist. I gotta have everything clean. You think having a short-haired dog, and since he rides in my car and non-stop sheds, I have to keep on top of it, although I can't get it all up? Do you think that bothers me? Oh, hell no. Nope. I don't care. As a matter of fact, there's a dog over there, by the way. Oh, I see that. As a matter of fact, I really don't care, because the love I have for this puppy, the love my wife and I have for Mr. Kid, he could do anything he wants, and thank God he hasn't chewed on those seats. But if I ever left him in here alone, which will never be done, he probably would. But the love we have for him, he can shed all he wants. That's right. You can shed all you want. Believe me, it's worth it. I know this was not the fishing video, I promised y'all. No. My apologies on that, y'all. Things came up and it wasn't feasible to do any fishing today. No. We still got all summer to fish. We'll probably, if the weather looks good in the next couple weeks, we'll probably try it then. We do have everything we need to go fishing. But leave down the comments. You have a short-haired dog like mine, and a brand new vehicle, only 11 months old. I don't even have 10,000 miles on this vehicle yet. Would you let that dog in here? Just the only thing keeping it clean, or keep the seats clean from that dog or whatever, is a towel. Would you do that? I am. And I'm going to continue on doing it. I say in about 2 days from now, it'll be back the way it was until I clean it up again. Till next time, guys, I do have a halfway decent video coming next. We're going to talk about my puppy's toys. It's a good one. Until then, come on, let's get out of here. Sorry there wasn't no major adventures, but, you know, what can you do? My wife and I decided to spend time with each other off camera. Yeah. Sometimes I even need to take a break off YouTube. Till then, come on. I'm out of here. Don't forget to hit that like button. Leave me comments down there. What would you do if you had a brand new car? Would you let your puppy in it to shed everywhere? And would it bother you? I could care less. Which is strange. Me saying that. If only you knew how much a perfectionist I am. But this doesn't bother me because it's worth it. Because I love my puppy. Catch you next time.